Yes. Look out for the tarantula hawk.
Look at that.
That's tarantula hawk.
There is. I call them B-52s.
I'll have to call some B-52s.
It has a very powerful stinger. There's a fly that looks virtually identical to it.
Yeah.
Do you know why the fly looks like it?
To scare people.
That's right. Nobody
Predators
touches it.
off.
Defense, yeah.
Yep.
Where is he? It's on the wrong side.
Yeah, I
Defense
was
and
watching
mimicry.
a nature show, I think, one time, and they were showing them fight the tarantula and the tarantula hawk, and the tarantula hawk got it.
Right? They normally are the ones that win.
Yeah. Wow.
And what they do
Lay the
is
egg.
they paralyze the tarantula. They don't kill it.
Oh yeah, that's
They
Lay
carry
the
it
egg.
down to
It's
its
a
burrow
different kind
and
of.
lay an egg on it.
It's a
You
beautiful.
know why they don't kill it?
So that the baby can eat it.
Small one.
It's an
Well, yeah,
incubator.
babies then can feed on the live tarantula until.
How'd you like it?
Well, look at these pretty rocks.
Yeah, that's right.
Kind of like Alien, that thing gets us ready. You know?
Yeah.
That one back.
What variety?
What's that?
Open it.
That's the bear's metal mark, the one that fits on the California buckwheat.
You need to catch it.
That's a female actually too.
So,
That one.
so what kind of yucca is this?
It's
That's
a
a bear grass. It's not a yucca.
Oh, it is.
Nolina?
Nolina, yeah. Nolina perrii is.
Honey.
Nolina is the genus. Perrii is the species.
And what's
Boy,
this thing here that looks like a butterfly?
That's a bear's metal mark.
That's the same.
these are
Because this is the inside here.
Yeah,
the
that's right.
bees.
It's
That's
the one that
Love it,
feeds on
huh?
buckwheats.
And the flies.
And it's
everything.
mimicking
So did
the
you write that
endangered
down?
Keno checker
Yeah.
spot.
Bear grass.
And the reason it's
like
mimicking the
yucca.
Keno checker spot is because the Keno checker spot feeds on plants that have
yellow,
iridoid
creamy
glycosides in it.
amaranth.
Oh, now there's two of them.
Those are
Yeah,
wild
male and
bees.
female.
Beautiful color.
So the flowers are edible,
It's small, but
Gordon? Are the flowers
I
edible?
would suspect so. I would suspect so.
If you can get to
Those
it.
bees are really small. You notice that?
Yeah, they're andrenids.
It's kind of
They're
reminds me of an
andrenids. There's some
amaranth.
megakylids in there too. There are a lot of different bees. That's one of the things that people are concerned with when Apis mellifera was introduced, the European honeybee, was that the European honeybee was going to push out
The
a lot of the
native.
native bees because the native bees are specifically adapted to plants, and the honeybee is
Any
really,
plant
really
with
aggressive.
you know
Yeah.
that is different because it's always white, but that one
Tell us
is
that
pink.
it doesn't die back after it blooms.
Yeah, this one looks like the yucca whipple. It's got some very similar leaves to the yucca whipple. This one lives for hundreds of years. This is not a young plant. This one's probably over 50, 60 years.
Wow.
See, it already has other blooms.
So can you plant it from seed?
You can look like
Yeah, well, we planted some down at the. I grew some seedlings.
Is that
In
what
fact,
those
if you
little
want some, I
stick
can
things
give you
are? They're
some.
barely holding on. They're
barely
they're
holding
like
on.
two little leaves at the moment.
That's fine.
They're still alive though.
I mean, if you got green leaves, that's all that matters.
Put some rocks around them.
So how many years will before it'll start producing
You're
flowers?
probably talking about 20 years.
Really?
So, oh gosh, what's the right time? What's the right month to pick up the seeds?
Probably any time in September through October.
Oh
When
really?
it's dried up, you know,
Yeah.
you can tell that.
There's a Nolina in New Mexico called Nolina texana, which has a butterfly that's specifically adapted to just that species of Nolina.
Oh, wow.
Well, you got a lot of different kinds of insects.
So that doesn't seem, it doesn't seem like a very good strategy for survival. If the
I don't know
butterfly
the species all that well.
doesn't diversify its food source.
Oh, it's
This here is
It makes
Deuteresia,
sense.
one of the composites that blooms in late
not
summer.
smell. I got the stuff, but it's still alive.
Anyway, hopefully this time we'll make
It's the only big flowering one here. That's why probably everything is right there.
Yeah,
Everything else isn't quite there yet.
yeah. Wow.
Yeah, I had no idea to be up close like that. How much it's feeding.
Flavia, you have a question? You have
You
a
had a
question?
question.
Sissy says you have a question.
Oh, I was just commenting that it doesn't seem like the lack of diversity of food source for butterflies would make them really susceptible to